197.8 million people to get our CPA marketing offers to, and also making an average about $100 every single day with CPA marketing utilizing the simple strategy I'm about to show you in this video. So stick on with me as we dive right into that. If you're new to my channel, OJ Marketing, I create videos on cool ways to make money online, and if you like such content, you can scroll through my channel. There are a lot of videos to help you out. Check out the videos, they could actually help you boost your income. If you're also interested in getting more cool and amazing strategies, make sure you subscribe to the channel and your notification bell is always turned on all so that you do get alerted whenever I do release cool videos to help you boost your income online. So firstly guys, what we want to do today is to just simply get a free PLR or a free ebook we want to lock in our URL file locker, because we're going to be utilizing URL file lockers for this particular strategy. And this is going to be a strategy unlike anyone you've seen before. So once you get cool and amazing PLR from platforms like idplr.com, you could utilize freeplrdownloads.com and just simply search for a specific niche you want to focus on. You can see there are a lot of niches right here in this section you could easily focus on. And I could come onto this search section and I can just simply go on to type in keywords related to the ebook which I want to search for. I can type in something like keto diet, click on search. It's going to show me ebooks related to that particular niche. Then all you need to do right now guys is once the page loads up, select a very cool ebook for that particular niche and just simply download that for absolutely free. Now if I'm actually focusing on the keto diet niche or ketogenic niche right now, I'm just going to go on to clicking on search. It's going to show me some cool ebooks available to that niche once the page loads up right there. So right now I was not able to get an ebook on that niche in this particular platform, but you can use the IDPLR. Go on to getting an ebook right now. Download the ebook for free on such platforms right there. Supposing this is an ebook you want to download, select the ebook and you can just simply scroll down to the bottom section, click on the download icon. The ebook will be downloaded on your device. You can then head on to platforms like Mediafire to upload that ebook. Now you can see right now I have some cool ebooks right here already uploaded. This one is for the weight loss and new. This is also weight loss and new. You can actually see this is for muscle building or for bodybuilding. This is actually for make money online. And you can see right now there are some cool and amazing ebooks right here on make money online and easy keto diet to lose weight. Now if I'm focusing on the keto diet right now, since I've uploaded this ebook on this platform, if you want to upload one, click on upload icon, click on this plus icon to select the ebook from your device and do upload that on the platform. Now once you've uploaded that right now, you want to just simply click on this copy icon, this link icon, and the link will be copied to your clipboard. You can come right here, click on the three dots, copy the link to your device, and you can then just simply head onto a CPA marketing platform like CPA Grave that has content locking capabilities. Now register for the platform and log into your account. Now once you log into your account guys, you want to come onto the page such as this by clicking on the URL file locker, or the monetization tool option. Select the URL file locker, be brought to this page. Select create new URL file locker, agree to the terms of service, continue with that right there. And in that particular locked URL section, you just need to go on to paste in the link to that particular ebook that you do have on Mediafire right now. So once you've actually pasted the link right there, you can come onto this template section, go on to selecting the file download locker. Then once you come right here to general, you want to give this locker a name. I'm just going to name it something like keto diet or keto locker. And if I do come right now to this section, you just need to go on to editing this file name to actually fit into this right now, as we do have right here in this particular section. So if you want to just simply copy that, you can copy that. As you can see, this is actually the easy keto diet to lose weight. So you can just simply head onto the platform. You can see the size, which is 1.59 MB. So I'm just going to head back to this section and edit this right now. I'm just going to edit this first, which is 1.59. So once that has been edited, I'm going to change the name right there. So once the name has actually been changed, you can see that the effects is right there. You can go on to changing this last uploaded date. I'm going to put in something quite recent, which is actually 2024. And I'm just going to edit this to a recent date right now. So if I do edit this to a recent date, as you can see right here, I'm just going to copy this date and actually edit or paste that in this last downloaded date. If you do paste that in right here, edit this last downloaded date, maybe I'm just going to put in something like 22nd, and you can actually just see how it looks like right now. So once this has actually been done, you just need to go on to clicking on save, and your URL file locker has actually been generated. Next thing you need to do is to click on get link, copy the link to your URL file locker and create a landing page. Now in creating landing pages, you could use platforms like Breezy Cloud, Google Sites, Systemy, and a lot more cool landing page builder sites of your choice. If you want to get some videos that teaches you how to create landing pages, check out my channel. I have some videos for you. Click on the search icon on OJ Marketing and just simply go on to typing in landing page. And if you do type in landing page and actually go on to clicking on enter, it's going to show you some cool videos right there I created that easily teaches you how to create simple landing pages on such kinds of platforms. So check out the videos right now, that they could help you guys create a simple and cool landing page. Now once you've created a landing page and link that landing page to your CPA marketing offer, we're just going to go into promoting that utilizing a very cool platform right now called Tumblr. And this is the platform right here that actually do get about 197.8 million visits in just the last 28 days right there. So this is a huge amount of traffic the platform actually gets. So all you need to do is to come onto the platform. But first of all, we need to actually get the content we want to utilize to promote that particular URL file locker. And to do that, we're going to head on to ChatGPT. So we're going to ask ChatGPT a simple prompt to write a simple article on the keto diet. And guys, this says write a short but enlightening article on the benefits of keto diet to weight loss. And if I do click on enter right now, you can see ChatGPT actually going on to writing a very cool article right now. So you can see right here, it's writing a cool article. So what I'm going to do right now is that once it's done writing the article, I'm just going to copy the article right there. And once I do copy the article, I'm just going to go on to pasting that on this particular platform called Tumblr, because this is actually a social media platform which a lot of people actually utilizes. So if you come right here, click on text, I'm just going to go on to pasting in that text. Now for that text right now, I'm just going to paste in that right here. And that actually came up with a title right now. So you can see the title that says Unveiling the Power of Keto Diet, a Path to Success or Weight Loss Success. I'm going to copy that, or cut that rather, and actually go on to pasting that in the title section. So once that has actually been done, I'm going to remove this section. So take a look at how this actually looks like right now. But before we go on further, we just need to put in a simple call to action right now for our CPA marketing URL file locker. So take a look at this right here. It says start your weight loss plan by downloading the free ebook via the link below. And if you will put in something like this, which says click here to download. Once that has actually been done, you want to highlight this section that says click here. If you highlight that, click on the link icon, and you could just simply go on to pasting in the link to your URL file locker or the link to your landing page. Now that landing page is going to be linked to your URL file locker that's going to drive traffic to that locker right there. So guys, once I do paste in the link, as you can see right now, I'm going to click on done, and you can see that has actually been inserted right there. So what you can also go on to doing, guys, is if you do highlight this, maybe you can actually go on to changing the font color. Maybe you can make that bold right there. You can change the font color if you actually want, or the text color right there. So I can change that to something like blue to indicate that that's a link right now. And you can see how cool and amazing this is. So before showing them the article, it's going to show them this simple call to action that's going to lead them to my URL file locker, and I can make money once people complete offers for that particular ebook right there, and they gain access to the ebook. So this is a cool strategy which you want to do. Once you're done, you could add in some cool tags right there. So come right here, add tags such as weight loss. So you can see weight loss tags right here. Maybe I can put in something like I want to lose weight. You can see right here, this is also about weight loss. So there are a lot of weight loss tags that you can just simply put in right here. You can also see weight management, and just simply check out diet, and you can actually put in something like keto diet. Maybe I'm just going to type in keto. You can see keto right now. So right now, guys, you can see a lot of cool tags has been added right here. The next thing which you need to do is just simply click on post, and this will be published on the platform right now, and you can see how cool that will actually be. Now a lot of people can actually go into saying that, and you can see right now, based on similar web statistics, the platform gets 197.8 million visits just in the last 28 days. And if you scroll down to the bottom section, you can see the countries that do visit the website the most are actually top tier countries right now. So this is a very cool way to promote your offers and start making money online. Now if the video was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button to the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel OJ Marketing, and make sure your notification bell is always turned on all to get alerted whenever I release cool videos to help boost your income online. That's it for now. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.